Join me as I put the iPhone 16e and Pixel 9a head-to-head to see which phone comes out on top in 2025. The iPhone 16e and Pixel 9a are two of the most highly anticipated smartphones of the year, with each offering a unique set of features that cater to different needs and preferences, making this comparison a must-watch for anyone looking to upgrade their mobile device. Many consumers are torn between these two flagship devices, and it's easy to see why. The iPhone 16e boasts an impressive array of cameras, a sleek design, and seamless integration with other Apple devices, while the Pixel 9a offers a more affordable price point, timely software updates, and exceptional camera capabilities. The decision ultimately comes down to what features are most important to you, and whether you're already invested in the Apple or Android ecosystem. For some, the choice between these two phones will depend on their specific needs, such as gaming, photography, or video production. Others may prioritize battery life, storage capacity, or durability, all of which vary between the iPhone 16e and Pixel 9a. The iPhone 16e and Pixel 9a have distinct specifications, with the iPhone 16e featuring a powerful A17 Bionic chip, up to 16 GB of RAM, and a high-resolution 6.1-inch display, while the Pixel 9a is equipped with a large 6.2-inch OLED screen, a mid-range processor, and up to 12 GB of RAM. In terms of camera capabilities, both phones deliver exceptional results, but the Pixel 9a has a reputation for its outstanding low-light performance in portrait mode. The iPhone 16e, on the other hand, excels at video recording and has a more comprehensive set of camera features. The battery life of these phones is also worth considering, as the Pixel 9a has a slightly larger battery, but the iPhone 16e is more power efficient due to its optimized hardware and software. Unique features like wireless charging, water resistance, and biometric security also set these phones apart, with the iPhone 16e offering Face ID and the Pixel 9a featuring a fingerprint sensor. Both phones have their strengths and weaknesses, and it's crucial to weigh these factors when deciding which one is right for you. One feature that could sway consumers' decisions is the Pixel 9a's exceptional camera capabilities, particularly in low-light conditions, which could be a deal-breaker for photography enthusiasts. The iPhone 16e, however, offers a more comprehensive set of camera features, including a telephoto lens and advanced video recording capabilities. The Pixel 9a's timely software updates are also a significant advantage, ensuring that users have access to the latest security patches and features. As we delve deeper into the comparison, it becomes clear that each phone has its own unique strengths and weaknesses. The iPhone 16e's seamless integration with other Apple devices is a major advantage for those already invested in the ecosystem. The Pixel 9a's affordable price point, on the other hand, makes it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. The Pixel 9a's camera capabilities are truly impressive, with outstanding low-light performance and a reputation for delivering exceptional results. The iPhone 16e, however, excels at video recording and has a more comprehensive set of camera features, making it a great choice for content creators. The decision between these two phones ultimately comes down to your specific needs and preferences. The iPhone 16e's unique features, such as wireless charging and Face ID, may be a major draw for some consumers. The Pixel 9a's fingerprint sensor and timely software updates, on the other hand, may be more appealing to others. In recap, both the iPhone 16e and Pixel 9a offer a unique set of features that cater to different needs and preferences, making this comparison a must-watch for anyone looking to upgrade their mobile device. The iPhone 16e boasts an impressive array of cameras, a sleek design, and seamless integration with other Apple devices, while the Pixel 9a offers a more affordable price point, timely software updates, and exceptional camera capabilities. Let me know in the comments which phone you prefer, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more tech comparisons and reviews.